The sport and exercise therapy degree, it's quite a versatile degree. We look at it as a 3-year training course for you to go and work in industry as a sports therapist. We are a medical degree, but we specialise in training our students to treat, assess and rehabilitate with sport and exercise principle. The degree being based at the sport park at USW, it means we've got not only our own purpose-built therapy room to do the therapy side of the degree, then we've got a world-class S&C facility downstairs. You have the opportunity to implement what you're learning in the setting similar to what you'll be working in.
Our clinic that we run is a really good insight to how professional practice would work. People come into us and we'll do a full assessment, do treatment depending on what their problem is. Rehab, depending on the injury, is the highest level of professionalism you'd need. I think it just sets you up.
We embed the 5 pillars of competency that a sports therapist should have, and we do our utmost to make sure that when you leave with that accreditation, you are ready to go out into industry.